Welcome to Paintless Dent Repair, Denver, Colorado. If you need a dent removed or have auto hail damage, you need to contact us for your Paintless Dent Repair, PDR. We can get you the best price on dent services in Denver, Colorado. We partner with PDR shops in and around your area to get you the best price. Our shops can repair car door dings, bumper dents, fender dents, trunk dents, minor dents, hail damage, and more. Contact us today and we will get you in touch with top-notch auto body shops in town. You will receive a free estimate and sometimes even a loaner car. Don't want to leave your house? No problem. Our PDR shops can do mobile dent removal. Remember, we will get you the best price for hail repair and body work in Denver, Colorado. Our dent repair services include car dents, bumper dents, fender dents, mobile dent repair, auto hail damage repair, free dent estimation, collision repair, paint repair, scratch repair, detailing, ceramic coating, window tinting. Pay your deductible. Not every shop can perform all services, but we will try our best to get you the best price. In some cases, the auto body shop can pay your insurance company deductible. If you need a dent removed or have auto hail damage, contact us today for your free estimate. We partner with the best locally owned PDR shops in and around Denver CO to get you the lowest price on quality workmanship that will last. You'll be amazed by how affordable our rates are to make your car look brand new. Plus, when we schedule an appointment for you with one of these highly recommended top-notch PDR shops, they may offer a loaner car while yours is being repaired, which means no waiting time in between getting your dents fixed and picking up your vehicle again. Contact us now, so we can find out what kind of repairs are needed, and we'll send someone over right away. Common questions about PDR. What is paintless dent repair? PDR is an innovative process that allows for the removal of minor surface panel damage without any painting or other vehicle modifications. This technique, often referred to as paintless dent removal, PDR, preserves a car's original paint finish and can be performed by certified technicians who have experience with this specialized skill set. Paintless dent repair involves using special tools designed to massage out imperfections on panels behind the visible surfaces in order to preserve your car's original look while still getting rid of dents from it, all without having to use traditional methods like sanding down, cutting away excess material around damaged areas and then premiering before applying paint again, which could take hours depending on how large the area being repaired was. If you want to learn more about the repair process and get answers, make sure to read this PDR process Conda post. You will learn which PDR techniques work and which ones don't. How much does paintless dent repair cost? The cost of paintless dent removal will vary based on the severity and location of any issues. On average, door dings usually come with a price tag that ranges between $50 to $125 depending on their size. The larger dents that are caused by collision often have an estimated quote in between $150 and $350 for repairs, while getting your car fixed up again at our shop is possible through insurance coverage if you've got it. Why choose our shops in Denver CO? Our Paintless Dent Repair Company has some of the best technicians in the field. You can count on them to fix any minor dents and dings with a high level of manual labor skills, but it's not just about how much they know, it also depends where you live. Nobody knows PDR better than our team though. Whether or not we'll be able to repair your dent is dependent largely on its size, location, and extent. We're confident that even if one factor isn't favorable by itself for us, we have plenty more tricks up our sleeve.